At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting an athletic apparel business can be exciting, but it requires careful planning and execution to succeed. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Market research. Identify your target market, e.g., runners, weightlifters, yoga enthusiasts. Analyze competitors to understand their strengths, weaknesses, and market positioning. Determine the demand for athletic apparel in your chosen niche and any gaps in the market. 2. Create a business plan. Define your business objectives, mission, and vision. Outline your product offerings, pricing strategy, and sales channels. Develop a marketing plan to reach your target audience and promote your brand. Estimate your startup costs and create a financial forecast. 3. Choose a niche and brand identity. Select a specific niche within the athletic apparel market to differentiate yourself. Develop a unique brand identity that resonates with your target audience. Decide on your brand values, messaging, and visual identity, logo, color scheme, etc. 4. Source suppliers and materials. Research and establish relationships with reliable suppliers for fabrics, manufacturing, and other materials. Ensure that your suppliers can meet your quality standards and production requirements. Consider factors like sustainability and ethical sourcing in your supplier selection process, as these are increasingly important to consumers. 5. Design and develop your products. Create designs for your athletic apparel that align with your brand identity and cater to the needs of your target market. Prototype and test your products to ensure quality, fit, and functionality. Iterate on your designs based on feedback from testers and potential customers. 6. Set up your business operations. Register your business and obtain any necessary licenses or permits. Set up your manufacturing or production process, whether in-house or outsourced. Establish a system for inventory management, order fulfillment, and customer service. 7. Build your brand and online presence. Develop a professional website to showcase your products and brand story. Utilize social media platforms to engage with your audience and build a community around your brand. Create compelling content, such as blog posts, videos, or influencer collaborations to attract and retain customers. 8. Launch and market your products. Plan a launch strategy to generate buzz and excitement around your brand. Implement marketing tactics such as email campaigns, social media advertising, and influencer partnerships to drive traffic to your website and increase sales. Monitor the performance of your marketing efforts and adjust your strategies as needed based on analytics and feedback. 9. Provide excellent customer service. Prioritize customer satisfaction by offering responsive and helpful support. Handle inquiries, returns, and complaints promptly and professionally. Use customer feedback to improve your products and service over time. 10. Scale your business. Continuously evaluate and refine your business processes to increase efficiency and profitability. Explore opportunities for expansion, such as launching new product lines or entering new markets. Build strategic partnerships and collaborations to extend your brand reach and grow your customer base. Starting an athletic apparel business requires dedication, creativity, and a thorough understanding of your target market. By following these steps and staying agile in response to market trends and customer feedback, you can build a successful brand in this competitive industry. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.